Let's explore natural language processing, the fascinating technology that helps machines understand and work with human language. NLP sits at the intersection of computer science, artificial intelligence, and linguistics, combining all three to decode human communication. The biggest challenge is bridging the gap between how humans naturally communicate and what machines can understand. This technology powers the chatbots, search engines, and voice assistants we use every day. But human language is incredibly complex, full of quirks that confuse computers. Think about multiple meanings, slang, idioms, and cultural expressions. Each one adds another layer of difficulty, like how break the ice has nothing to do with frozen water. It means starting a conversation. To handle this, NLP breaks down language through tokenization, syntactic analysis, semantic analysis, and finally pragmatic analysis. These processing steps enable computers to perform several core tasks with language. Sentiment analysis detects emotions, NER identifies entities, machine translation converts languages, and text summarization condenses content. These capabilities have found their way into virtually every industry today. Healthcare uses NLP to read medical notes, finance tracks news, education personalizes learning, and marketing analyzes customer opinions. You interact with NLP daily through chatbots, automatic translators, Siri, and Alexa. Modern NLP is being revolutionized by powerful new technologies. Large language models like GPT, built on deep learning and neural networks, are transforming what's possible. These advances make digital assistants smarter, translation more accurate, and AI conversations remarkably human-like. But with this power comes important ethical responsibilities we can't ignore. How we collect data, protect privacy, and reduce bias directly impacts whether people trust these systems. When a chatbot gives biased or offensive answers, it damages that trust immediately. The future depends equally on better technology and responsible use. We need both to succeed. Let's recap the key points about NLP and its impact. Remember these pillars. Language understanding as our goal, complex challenges to solve, practical industry applications, and ethical requirements to uphold.